Hey friends, it's Lori with Farmhouse Stencil Shop. I have a really messy project for you today. So I decided to make some of my own star ornaments with some jute. What I'm doing here is I had poured some clear school glue into this plate and I pretty much just soaked my jute into it. I found this old scrap piece of wood to nail all these finishing nails in. So that's what I did. I just shaped them in the shape of stars, and with my messy glue jute, I am just twisting that around the nails. After you fashion your jute around, you can take the end of the jute and kind of tuck it up underneath. And then I realized it was easier to measure how much jute I needed by going ahead and wrapping it around the nails and then taking it back off, dipping it into the glue, and then wrapping it back around the nails again. It was a process and it was really messy, but I think I got through it all pretty good. On the next part, I had decided to try something a little bit different and I wanted to make some wider stars. So what I did was take a 2x4 and I actually drew out my stars this time so I could make sure that I got them exactly the way I wanted them. I should have done that the first time. If you make some of these, make sure you just go ahead and draw out your stars like this. They do not have to be perfect. As you can see, my stars are far from perfect, but it really helps to keep that shape. So here they are dry, and they dried really well. I left them overnight, and now I'm just taking the hammer and just loosening up the nails by hammering the nails towards the center of the stars. And then once that is done, you will be able to just pop the star right off of the board. And that's what it looks like. It's nice and dry, and you don't even need a hanger for it actually. You can just put it right on your little tree, and that's what I'm doing right now. I just fashioned it right onto my tree. And then I have to continue decorating a little bit because it's a Charlie Brown tree. Thank you for watching.